and welcome to my galactic kitchen. I'm Gigi and today we're going to make gluten-free urban garlic crackers. For our crackers we need some almond flour, ground flax seed, a little bit of garlic powder, oregano, basil, a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, a bit of water, a rolling pin, parchment paper and a baking sheet. I think Kitty's going to help with the crackers today. Okay, let's get cracking. Okay, ready to roll out. Make sure you separate your crackers a little bit on your sheet so that way they don't stick together while they're baking. Alright, good to go. Here we have our finished crackers. Kitty particularly loves these crackers, especially with a side of salmon. But if you're not a kitty, you might like them better with a side of soup or pesto. Enjoy your crackers and keep on making that dough rise. See you next time. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button or leave me a comment. I've also got more content on Instagram. Click the link in the description.